In this video, we will show you how to save Outlook emails in PDF format. This is very easy. You can save a PDF from Outlook emails. How to do that? First, if you're using the Outlook desktop version, you can open your Outlook application, then find the email that you want to save as PDF. For example, I will save this email. And to save these emails, to save this email contents into PDF, you can just click this more actions, and in here just select print. After you select print, you can see there is by default is selected your printer. You can scroll down and choose save as PDF. Then you can click save button. After that, you can go to the directory you want to save. For example, I will choose my desktop and click save. Now, we successfully save the email into the PDF format. This is if you're using the desktop version of Outlook. And how if you're using web version? In here, I'm already open into the web version. And we can just go to emails. For example, it is the same. If you're using web browser like Google Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and etc., you can just click these three dot icons, and in here just click print. After you click print, into the destination, select the save as PDF. Then you can click save. After that, you can go to directory that you want to save this PDF. For example, I save into the desktop and click save, and the result is the same. So you can easily save Outlook emails into the PDF format, in both from desktop, also from web browser. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.